nating umuwi.
Hawakan mo aking kamay bago tayo maghiwalay. Lahat-lahat ibibigay, lahat-lahat. Paalam sa ating huling sayaw. May dulo pala ang langit, kaya't sabay tayong bibitaw sa ating huling sayaw.
Di na malayan na, malalim na ang gabi, pero ayoko sanang magmadali. Kay tamis, kay sarap, ngunit ito na ang huli. Kailangan na yata nating umuwi.
Hawakan mo aking kamay bago tayo maghiwalay. Lahat-lahat ibibigay, lahat-lahat. Paalam sa ating huling sayaw. May dulo pala ang langit, kaya't sabay tayong bibitaw sa ating huling sayaw.
Meron akong sasabihin, makinig kayong lahat. Importante lang malaman yung sikreto nilang lahat. Sila'y pare-pareho, sinong may pakana. Magugulat ka na lang, bigla ka nang magdadapa. Ngayon, bukas na naman ang iyong kaluluwa. Paglasing, doon ka lang malambing. Huwag lumapit sa'kin, natatakot na ako maibig. Meron akong kilala, napakagandang dilag. Lalapit siya sa'yo, bigla na lang mawawala. Para bang may mga disipulo o kaya mga alagad. Ang dami-dami nyo, hindi kayo nawawala. Ngayon, bukas na naman ang iyong kaluluwa. Paglasing, doon ka lang malambing. Huwag lumapit sa'kin, natatakot na ako maipit. Paglasing, doon ka lang malambing. Huwag lumapit sa'kin, natatakot na ako maipit. Oh, oh,
Even now, when there's someone else who cares, when there's someone home who's waiting just for me, even now I think about you as I'm climbing up the stairs, and I wonder what to do so he won't see that even now when I know it wasn't right, and I found a better life than what we had. Even now I wake up crying in the middle of the night, and I can't believe it still could hurt so bad. Even now when I have come so far, I wonder where you are. I wonder why it's still so hard without you. Even now when I come shining through, I swear I think of you and how I wish you knew. Even now. Even now, when I never hear your name, and the world has changed so much since you've been gone. Even now I still remember, and the feeling's still the same, and the pain inside of me goes on and on. So far, I wonder where you are. I wonder why it's still so hard without you. Even now, when I come shining through, I swear I think of you, and God, I wish you knew. Somehow
times when I just want to look at your face with the stars in the night. There are times when I just want to feel your embrace in the cold night. I just can't believe that you are mine now. Just a dream that I once knew. I never thought I would be right for you. I just can't compare you with anything in this world. You're all I need to be with forevermore.
If only you could have stayed a little longer. If I had known this feeling, then I could have been much stronger. And the hurt I feel right now would be so far away. Now all the memories tell me I should have made you stay. You said we'll make it last forever. Maybe you could have been a little stronger too. Now I know that sometimes promises just fade away. I need you here beside me. It's just no